Hello everybody, what's going on? Few big insights are coming from NIOs and few leak pictures indicate that there are so many L90 and ES8 parked to be delivered to the customers this month. For years, we have talked about tech, the ecosystem and the ambition. But now that vision is translating into the real hard delivery numbers where it mattered the most. The battle for the Chinese family buyers. Forget the delivery noise. Let's talk about the strategy that is literally packing the delivery lot and setting this company up for a massive scale and eventually profitability. Let's start with the big picture. The Chinese auto market is ruthless, but there's one segment where growth is exploding, the large 6-seat SUV market. The data is clear. The large 6-seat SUV market saw significant growth in September and substantially cumulative sales for the year. This is the new sweet spot for aspiring Chinese families. Now, historically, this space was dominated by plug-in hybrids like Li Auto and Wenji, who offer that comfort blanket against range anxiety. However, the trend is shifting. Pure electric vehicles are gaining ground. And when you look at the successful brand in this large SUV space, NIO and Li Auto are performing exceptionally well. The game is no longer if pure EV will win, but who will build the infrastructure and product mix to capture it. And that brings us to NIO's masterstroke. NIO bullish case is perfectly visible in the recent pictures coming out of their delivery center. Their parking lots are filled with cars to be delivered to the customers. The new ES8 is the one, that premium play. It's NIO flagship, it's high-tech, high-margin, pure EV luxury statement that competes with high-end Li Auto cars. The fact that new ES8 is being pre-produced and sold out for the month is a testament to the brand premium demand. But the real story is in the other picture, the Onvo L60 and L90 filling half of the delivery area. This is the volume play. Onvo is the brand designed to tackle the mass market family segment. The L90 is a 6 or 7-seater SUV going head to head with the competition. But here's the killer advantage. It integrates seamlessly into NIO's battery swap ecosystem. This multi-brand strategy is not just about competing, it's about total market capture. Premium brand volume with the ES8 and the mass market volume with Onvo. This strategy is translating into undeniable growth. The combined volume from NIO, Onvo and the Firefly is creating the much needed scale that drives financials. The company is guiding for significant improvement in vehicle gross margin, targeting 16 to 17% in the fourth quarter of 2025. This is crucial as volume ramp up from the ES8 and the high volume Onvo L90. The cost per unit drops. Apart from that, management is aggressively aiming to achieve positive free cash flow by the end of 2025. That transition from high burn growth company to a cash generating giant is ultimate catalyst for the stock. The market is noticing. Analysts have recently been upgrading their price target for NIO, specifically citing the strong model cycle and massive volume expectations for the second half of the year. Being honest with you, NIO has always been a high risk, high reward stock, but risks are now receding and the reward are starting to materialize. The company is no longer just selling a premium vehicle, it's selling a pure EV ecosystem that now span the luxury and the mass market family segment. The new ES8 keeps the brand premium while the Onvo L90 provides the massive volume needed for scale and profitability. With record deliveries, clear margin target for the fourth quarter, and the strategic mode of battery swap network, NIO is perfectly positioned to cover its ambitious vision into financial reality. For investors who believe in long-term future of pure EVs and in the power of an integrated service model, the time is to pay attention to NIO is now because the product engine is finally firing on all cylinders. So get ready for it. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you in next one.